Have you ever thought about creating your own butterfly garden? Imagine a vibrant corner in your home, teeming with life and color. A butterfly garden is not just a visual treat, but a boon for the environment too. Creating a butterfly garden is easier than you might think. The first step in creating a butterfly garden is choosing the right location. Sunlight is key, as butterflies are cold-blooded creatures who rely on the sun to warm their bodies. So, seek out a spot that bathes in sunlight. Remember, a sunny spot is a happy spot for butterflies. Now, let's talk about the best plants for your butterfly garden. It's crucial to choose nectar-rich varieties that butterflies simply can't resist. Think about vibrant milkweed, enticing butterfly bush, and colorful coneflowers. These are all fantastic choices. But let's not forget the importance of going native. Choosing plants that are indigenous to your area supports local butterfly populations, ensuring they thrive and multiply. By selecting native, nectar-rich plants, you're not just creating a garden, but a true butterfly paradise. Butterflies need more than just plants to thrive. They require sustenance and hydration, just like us. Imagine a shallow dish filled with water, a miniature oasis for these winged wonders. Even a butterfly feeder filled with sugar water can serve as a banquet for them. These nourishing stations not only keep our fluttery friends well fed, but also encourage them to linger longer in our garden, adding to its charm. So let's not forget to cater to their needs. Remember, a well-fed butterfly is a happy butterfly. So, are you ready to create your own butterfly garden? Remember, it's all about choosing the right location that gets plenty of sunlight. Picking the right plants is crucial too, as different butterflies are attracted to different plants. And don't forget to provide food and water for these beautiful creatures. Creating a butterfly garden is a rewarding experience, so why not give it a try? Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips.